In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto coins from Crypto.com, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out with cryptocurrencies. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and confidently. By the end of this video, you will be able to transfer your cryptocurrencies with ease. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Crypto.com homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply clicking through from your bookmarks if you have it saved. The homepage is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring you can navigate to any section with just a few clicks. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a lot of useful features and information. We'll focus on transferring crypto today, so let's move on to the next step. When you are on the Crypto.com homepage, the next thing you need to do is click on Accounts. Usually this can be found in the main navigation menu, which should be pretty straightforward. Clicking here will take you to your personal accounts page where all your held assets are listed. This page provides a comprehensive view of any cryptocurrency you own, making it the perfect hub for managing your portfolio. Now that you're on your accounts page, it's time to decide which cryptocurrency you'd like to transfer. On this page, you'll notice a list of all available coins you currently possess. Browse through this list carefully to select the specific cryptocurrency you want to move. Remember, each type of coin could have different identifiers or network requirements, so ensure you've got the right one before proceeding. Once you've made your selection, click on that particular cryptocurrency to prepare for the transfer. With your cryptocurrency selected, the next step is to look for the transfer option. This button can usually be found within the details of the chosen coin, offering you the possibility to send or receive assets. Click transfer, and you'll be presented with further prompts and fields where you can enter important transfer details. It's critical to double check all recipient information to prevent any errors that might delay your transaction or cause loss of funds. Once you have entered all necessary information, confirm the transfer details one last time. It's always wise to review the recipient address, any associated fees, and the amount you're sending to ensure everything is correct. With everything in order, you can proceed by confirming your transfer, and just like that, you've successfully moved your cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to your desired destination. With these steps, you should now be adept at transferring your crypto coins securely and efficiently. Feel free to replay any part of this video if you need to, and as always, happy trading and stay safe.